Use a plastic triangle opening tool or your fingernails to work around the ZenFone 2 rear cover and release the plastic clip securing it in place. Remove the following 14 Phillips screws. Easily separate the exterior midframe from the Asus phone. Disconnect the ZenFone 2 battery from the motherboard. Use a spudger to pry up the loudspeaker. Detach the interconnect cable from the motherboard. Remove the Captain tape and detach the interconnect cable from the daughter board. Locate the Peel to Remove Adhesive tab at the top of the battery. Grab the tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly pull the strip up and away from the Asus ZenFone 2. The strip will stretch many times to the length of the battery. Keep pulling until it comes out from between the battery and the midframe. And just like that, out comes the 3000 mAh Asus ZenFone 2 battery. The ZenFone 2 battery is strongly adhered to a protective metal cover, but with a little sputtering, it is readily freed.